Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can farm airdrops on gateio. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. Now the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to have an account on gateio for farming airdrops. Now if you don't have an account on gateio, you can use my sign up referral link in the description where you can get up to $6,666 worth of mystery box. Now please note that none of this is a financial advice. Do your own research before farming any airdrops or investing into cryptocurrency. Now once you have an account set up on gateio, all you have to do is you will need to go over here and click on startup. Now in the startup there are many airdrops that are in progress. As you can see, currently there are 7 airdrops that are in progress and I am subscribed to 3 of them right now. And as you can see, there is also something called as a preheat period. So like for this one baby bonk, I would be eligible for subscribing to this after 15 hours and 30 minutes. So you can keep subscribing to different airdrops over here. Now if I click on any one of this, for example if I click on Heroes of Mavia, so as you can see there is this option, right? This startup subscription is free. Users can claim project tokens for free. So this one is like absolutely free, to be honest, for subscribing to the projects and a chance of receiving airdrops. Now there are few requirements that you will need to fulfill. Is the first requirement being which is pretty simple, you need to register on gateio and log in. And the second requirement is after logging in you will need to complete your KYC. And the third requirement is spot assets should be greater than 10 USD. So I will be very honest with you, like this you can keep like more than 10 USD in your spot wallet and keep subscribing to different airdrops that keeps happening on the gateio, because over the long run, I mean the kind of airdrops that you get are more than 10 USD, of course, because in the past I have subscribed to like more than 43 projects, and to be honest I have made close to, if I am correct, like $35 to $40, to be honest. So what I did with that $35 to $40 is basically I bought bitcoins, because I'm currently accumulating as many bitcoins as possible for the future. So this is how you can farm airdrops on gateio. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.